Welcome back to the Prompt Index. Today we're unpacking PaperAsk, a fresh benchmark that asks a tough question. Can large language models reliably help with real scholarly tasks, from finding papers to verifying what they claim? As researchers increasingly lean on LLM-powered tools for literature work, PaperAsk zeroes in on reliability in 4 core operations. The main problem PaperAsk tackles is simple but critical. When LLMs search the web for papers and read them, do their outputs stay grounded in actual sources and correct sections? Prior work showed fabrication and hallucinations, but there wasn't a realistic end-to-end evaluation of how these systems perform in typical scholarly workflows. PaperAsk answers that by evaluating 4 tasks: citation retrieval, content extraction, paper discovery, and claim verification under realistic web-based usage. Methodology matters here. The authors test 3 frontier models, GPT-4o, GPT-5, and Gemini 2.5 Flash, via web interfaces where search behavior is a black box to the user. They designed 2 broad task categories: paper search, citation retrieval, and content extraction, and paper reading, open domain question answering, and claim verification. To reflect real workflows, they used live web interfaces rather than API calls with pre-processed data. The benchmark spans across disciplines and sources, including Arxiv, and relies on manual human annotation to judge reliability. In total, PaperAsk comprises 840 test cases. What did they find? Across tasks, reliability is worrying. Citation retrieval failed in 48 to 98% of cases when requesting multiple papers. Content extraction failed in 72 to 91% of cases, with models often pulling abstract text instead of targeted content. Topical paper discovery yielded F1 scores below 0.32, missing a large portion of relevant literature. Open domain QA performance was also weak, with F1 below 0.32 and substantial misses. Claim verification showed notable web-based failures, 12 to 18%, rising dramatically with larger query sets. A striking pattern: web-augmented search tends to pollute context with sources beyond the requested ones, and models react in divergent ways. ChatGPT often withholds. Gemini frequently fabricates. To counter these issues, the authors trained lightweight reliability classifiers on PaperAsk data, achieving about 96% accuracy in detecting unreliable outputs. They propose practical fixes: simpler, atomic queries, disabling search for reasoning-heavy models, and post-hoc reliability filtering as a lightweight safeguard. Implications: PaperAsk provides a reproducible, diagnostic framework to push scholarly assistance from flashy to trustworthy. It highlights the need for better retrieval design, content access alignment, and safeguards before deploying LLMs as research aids in the wild. Limitations in future work? The study focuses on public web interfaces and a subset of models. Paywalled content and deeper reasoning tasks remain open avenues. The core takeaway is clear: reliability evaluation must accompany capability when we embed LLMs in scholarly workflows. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free resources at the Prompt Index. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.